What broke on my car?
This might be a list for me.
What didn't break?
I had a few issues.
Well, where do we start?
Windscreen when I sat on it. I broke an alternator. My battery box ripped off. So my light bar bracket just decided to break off. Bundle at the rear. Handle broke. I had to rip the thermostat out because I had cooling issues. The isolator for the winch shut itself. So the O2 sensor's been playing up the whole trip. The studs on my front diff housing came loose. Flooded my car. The flat tyre. Oil pressure sensor. It started leaking oil. The number plate's coming loose. My cooker broke. Just the wire kept breaking off. Oh yeah, the awning broke. Oh, I filled up my gearbox with water. 10 zips buggered. My passenger door was a little bit bent. Bit of shit in the bead on one of the tyres. Oh, a few things came loose. Broke my swag. Both my amps, stereo amps got blown up. One straight through the sidewall and I had to replace that tyre. Bolts came loose. Broke a pole. I stripped a hub. $260 later. Broke a clip. One of the wires off my battery snapped off and then my wrench decided to break as well. My aircon fully seized. Yeah, it's still broken at the moment. My radius arms bolts keep coming loose. Just loose wires. My trans cooler for the auto box is leaking. Oh, crap, my windscreen today. My light bar bolt's missing. But other than that, she's running sweet. Oh, one of the unis is like loose.